Hey guys, you have reached Regina TV, and today I will be showing you how I'm going to make me some more clip-ins. Now guys, today I showed you all live how I put these clip-ins in, and I don't think I have no more than like 5 clip-ins in my head, and I'm going to give you a spin so you can see how they look. It's pretty. So we are going to use the hair that we got from the store. Everything that I have been telling you all about that hair, as far as I didn't want it to be long, was truthful. Because I know what I wanted to do with it. I didn't even want to put these many tracks in my head, y'all. I just wanted to put them here and then blend them in. But because the hair was so long, it was going to be obvious that, you know, it wasn't my hair. So I went on and did like 2 different styles for y'all already. Yeah, this one and the one before that. Now this is the hair. I told y'all a little bit about the hair. It's HH Afro 3-piece hair. It is a number 2 and it's 6 inches long. Give me anything like 4 and down. I would love that. Now the hair is thin on the track like that. Okay, it's thin on the track like that. The hair, you have to, if you want any type of bulk to this hair, you are going to have to double it or sometimes triple it. That's why we only have like 5 tracks in our hair, you know, 5 clip-ins in our hair, because this hair is like thin. So when I tracked up my hair today, I can go by how it's still tracked in now. We made it work, but from here all the way around to here, let me show you, from here all the way around to here. So I would say here around to here. That's how long I would need another track. Yeah, we made it work today, you all, but I'm gonna tell you right now, I love the styles that I have been coming up with these clip-ins, so I doubled it. All right, this is doubled. So now I am just going to start sewing it. I'm going to take both of the tracks and I'm just going to sew them together. Make sure they are together. There's some things I like about the hair. There's some things that I can do without with the hair. Like, I don't want you to see this in my head, you know, when I do my hair. I don't want you to see the curl pattern. But every time I comb this curl pattern out of my hair, when you wet it down, because we wear our hair wet sets, the curl pattern is going to come back, okay? So all I am doing, you all, is making sure this end do not come apart, but when I get ready to sew it on the clips, all right? So I'm just sewing the end part together for right now, y'all. The end part right there, okay? So now we have that together. Let me show you the clips that I bought. These clips, you get 12, and they're large. They're large. I think that these, you know, grip better than the small ones. So depending on your preference, get which ones that, you know, is good for you. But these are large, and they are, you get 12 of them. Let me show you what they look like. While I'm opening this pack, y'all, hit that thumbs up and subscribe. It's right there. Yeah. Now, these are the large clips. Can y'all see that? And I'm not using a hair sewing needle or hair sewing thread. I got some really good thread from Walmart that I like. You know, you all, I like it. And I just got a regular needle. And the reason why I got this needle is because it will fit through the holes of the clip-in. Now, the only reason why I'm making some more of these clip-ins, you all, is because I like the way that my hair has been acting. I like the way the different styles have been turning out. Plus, every time I show you all a style, you all ask me, you know, different things about what else can you do. I'm gonna tell you, y'all, if y'all don't want a lot of hair or put a lot of clips in y'all hair, I'm gonna tell you, just clip this in your hair. I will be taking my hair down in front of you all, so y'all will understand what I mean by that. The more of your hair, you know, that you leave out without braiding it or, you know, putting it away, the less clip-ins you're gonna have to use. None of my hair is braided. None of my hair is, you know, put away. None of it. So, y'all, I'm just taking my time. I'm just taking my time sewing. Oh, that broke. I'm taking my time sewing this clip on to this hairpiece. That's all I'm doing. When I get this in, I'll come back and show y'all what it looked like. Because this piece is gonna take like 1, 2, I'm gonna put 4 on here. I'm gonna put 4 clips on here, okay, y'all? Because of the length of it. Yeah. All right. So this is 1 clip sewn in. 1 clip sewn in. And I am just gonna go down the rest of the hair with the next clip. I will probably put the next clip right here. Okay. Next clip, go right there. I'm gonna try to get close, but right where, let me see, let me put this in here. The reason why I like these large clips is because the holes that's on top of the clips, you can stick it right through there, y'all, and then just pull it through, and y'all can stay right on top of that, you know, track. You know, a regular needle will fit right through those holes, y'all. See that? Yeah, I love that. I love it. All right, y'all. Now I'm going to start on the second track because the first track that we sewed up, you know, we end up putting 4 clips on the track. Okay. Now, really what I want to do, y'all, I'm going to tell y'all really what I want to do. Because the hair is so long and I would rather put this hair to be really, really short, because y'all know I like for my hair to be short. So I would really like for this hair to be like that. Like I showed you all before, this hair, it spikes when you cut it. So I would love for all of my hair to really, that I put in, to really be around here. Just up in here. I don't want to go further down with this hair because I know that this hair is going to take up that length. The closer I am in the top, it's going to take up the length down here. Okay, I don't want it to pass my ears. I want it to like really stop here. So if that is the case, that hair has to go there. So I am going to make a track, y'all, to go like in the top here. I think that's long enough. I think that's long enough. So since we folded it, because folding the hair, y'all, I'm telling you, this hair is thin, the tracks are thin. Folding the hair and then leaving my hair loose, that means I don't have to put so many tracks in my head, you all. That's what I did with my hair today. People thought this was my hair. I had a lot of people coming up to me asking me about this hair. So this is the length that we have here. This one, you all, I think I can get away with 2 or 3 tracks on here. 2 or 3, okay? So I'm gonna sew this and then I will be back. So this is the first, I hope y'all can see this. This is the first, you know, y'all see that needle in there? It fit perfect through those holes. So that is the first comb on this piece of track. And I'm gonna tell you all, this is so easy to do. Man, y'all know I love taking my hair down every night. So y'all, I have been loving this. I have not worn my hair the same way twice since putting these clip-ins in. So that one is done. So I'm just going to cut the string here. And okay, so if this is where it is, let's get another clip. I think that'll do. I think 2 will do. Yeah, 2 will do. And I'm going to tell you why. Because of the first live that I came to you all with, I had wet my hair down and everything, and I had put these clips in, you know, and so I know that to put the clips in when my hair is dry. So if I pre-set my hair in the morning, put all of my, you know, products on my hair, and then let my hair dry up some, then I can start installing the clips, and that makes it better. Instead of putting the clips in and then installing, you know, instead of putting the moisturizers in my hair, then installing the clips. No, I am going to, and I like this method. While my hair is, when I get up in the morning, put all my product on my hair, let it dry up some after I work it in, let my curls set, and then I do install my clips. At the end of the day, I take my clips out, y'all, and I'm going to tell you, I am going to sit my clips in the order that I take them out of my hair on a mannequin head. So then that way you will know what came first, second, you know, instead of just always trying to guess every morning. Now I'm done already with sewing this clip in with these small needles, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see that. See the small needle? That makes it easier. Okay, we got 2 in this one. All right. All right, we are done. So basically, these are the pieces I made. This one has 2 clips on there. This one has 3 clips on there. It went quick, y'all. This one has 2 clips on there. And this one has 4. So we have a 4 clip, 2 clips, and 1. Oh, this is 2 clips too. So we have 3 2 clips and 1 4 clip. All right. So let me show y'all what I am planning on doing. I am going to try to put these in the order of how long they are. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my hair down. I want y'all to see what my hair is looking like. I'm telling y'all right now that in the morning, once I take my hair down, y'all, in the morning, I am going to get up. I am going to moisturize my hair. I am going to let my hair curl up and dry on its own. And then I am just going to come in here and clip in the hair where I want it. And then I will start styling it from there. Okay, so we're under here. Let's take this down. We're under here. This is a 2 clip. Okay, so I'm just going to put that over there with a 2 clip. Because that was just an extra one I had found around here, y'all. Up in here are 1 clips. I know they are. Y'all, I am not, I'm going to tell y'all right now, I am not trying to fall in love with these clip-ins, but it's sort of hard not to. This is a 1 clip-in. I'm just going to line them up. It's sort of hard not to fall in love. It's so easy, y'all. This is a 3 clip-in. Okay. So I'm just going to go by how they are. I may not even put them on this mannequin head. I was going to do that, but I just got them in my head sporadically. This is a 1 clip in. By now, I hope you all have considered subscribing. To all of my newcomers, welcome, welcome, welcome. To all of my ride or dies, hey y'all, what's up? Okay, this is a long one, y'all. Look at that. This is a long one. It has 4 clips in there too. You know what? Made a liar out of me. Even though it's long, I only got 3 clips in this, but it's long. Just like the one we have with 4 clips. So let's see if they're the same length. Yep. Yep, they're the same length, yeah. Okay. See, all the hair is the same length anyway. But as far as the width, that's what I was going to, put them in as. This is a 3 clip. Okay. That's it, y'all. And this is what my hair looks like when I don't have any clips in. That's it. So in the morning, I get up, moisturize my hair, let it dry up and curl up on its own without doing anything to it. And then we'll try to put these clips in a different way. Most likely, I'll try to come live again because I'm trying to do more of that, you all. So you guys have reached Regina TV. Do not forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Leave a comment in the comment section down below. If anything you want to know that I left out, y'all already know that I am going to answer y'all back. Y'all, I have 2 channels. One is Regina TV, where you are now, and the other one is Regina's Way. Now, on Regina's Way, we do home decors, fashion shows, walk the weight off, hacks, everything else that I love to do, y'all, is over there on that channel. So over this channel, here on Regina TV, we do hair. Over there, we do the body, the walk the weight off, facials and all that stuff over there. Fashion shows. So together, both of these channels go in good together. Okay, you all? So that is about it. I will see y'all tomorrow. It feels good too. It feels good too, y'all. We'll see what we'll create tomorrow.